Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find apps. Right now we have to tap on Manage Apps and let's choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see on the third position we've got Reset Up Preferences, so let's tap on it and your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so all you have to do is simply tap on Reset Apps. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.